Okay.
I think.
So, let me just recap this to make sure I am understanding. You took the helmet, that helmet, and in the holes in the liner,
yeah,
you put marbles.
Yeah.
Like marbles, the kind you chew, canicas.
What is it?
Canicas.
Canicas?
Yeah.
Oh.
And okay. And you're telling me that with the marbles you think that the helmet portion is waterproof?
Well, I mean, I think it's gonna hold some of it in.
I think you're crazy.
Fuck, man, I don't know. You know what? I honestly think there's gonna be fucking Slurpee all over
Kenny,
the place.
I think your science is fucked. There's definitely not gonna seal with marbles.
You know what?
But you know what? I love you anyways, Kenny. I love you anyways, Kenny. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, Kenny has a helmet on his back, and we're gonna. Oh, are we ready? Are we almost ready?
What?
No, no.
We're going.
I don't know. Are we? No. Yep. No. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. I can't tell. I hate this area. I'm fun with that backpack.
Yeah.
All right, I'm in the lane.
Are you gonna wait?
I'm in the lane.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. That's how you stop traffic. You. That is exactly how you stop traffic.
That is one way to do it.
Yep.
He did not like that either.
Nope. That's all right.
Anyway, and this is how you get to the front line.
Yeah. They don't like this either.
These guys are fucking asshole. You're an asshole. Look, it was green. Oh God, I'm really trying to do this intro. I swear to God, I'm trying to make this intro. Hey, okay.
Like your other intro.
Okay. So today is 7-Eleven, right? It's 7-Eleven, and 7-Eleven was giving free Slurpees, and we like Slurpees. We do. So we're gonna go and hopefully get a helmet full of Slurpees. We're gonna get that grape.
I think they got a Captain Crunch flavor.
Oh, they do. That's new. I do like Captain Crunch. Look at that plane.
Yeah.
Ooh, shiny things. Oh, they're stopping. Okay, stop looking at the plane. Stop looking at the plane, Ghost. Gotta ride.
Pay attention, Ghost.
Let's get all the way over and let's get the fuck out of here. Let's get this thing going, Kenny.
I thought you bought a new one.
No, I ain't buying no. Fuck no. Think my wife will let me buy a new bag?
Nah, that's the thing.
You know how many bags I have?
It's probably just as many as me.
Yeah.
And I'm stuck with this Prius and a bus.
Oh. Oh, this guy's moving over all the way.
Yeah. Dude, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. I'm back. So this is what makes me nervous right now.
Yeah.
There's no cars over here. Cars can swing over. But if there's two cars next to each other, I have no problem going right between them.
Yeah.
Like this right now.
Yep. We're good right here. Especially this guy in the red.
Yeah, it opened up.
Right.
I don't have to dab on you. Yeah, a lot of these cars are moving over. That's cool.
Yeah, you're like the king. King is back in town.
I don't have to do one of these.
Oh, man. Get the fuck out of my way.
What the fuck are you doing, Prius? Kenny, what's wrong with your people? And by your people, I mean Prius drivers.
He's thinking about the environment. While he's going so slow, he wonders how
he is driving stupid slow.
Go, Adrian!
Adrian!
Go, Adrian!
Adrian!
Go, Adrian! Adrian! Is that Rocky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adrian!
You good? You good?
Yep. It's not as hot as it was earlier.
Get the fuck out of here.
What'd you say?
I thought I was wondering what you were doing. He's like, he's awfully close. Why does he look like he's concentrating or trying to hold his shit in? Like,
Why is he not talking?
He's concentrating.
We're here at 7-Eleven, and Kenny is very persistent to put Slurpee in that helmet without a bag in it.
I'm wrapping no shit. It's raw.
Kenny's gonna raw dog it. You heard it here.
You heard it here first.
Oh, Kenny.
Huh? I'd like the Coca-Cola flavor, please. For a Slurpee, please. Can I have like 10 of those in here?
How much to fill that
Fill
up?
this whole thing. $10? How much is a Slurpee anyway?
Here, let me find out. Let me see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask this dude.
Yeah, maybe get a bag. I don't mess with this guy's area.
How much to fill this up? We'll fill it up.
What?
You?
I want to buy Slurpee and put it in there.
Huh?
How about I buy 3 large Slurpees? How about 5 large Slurpees?
Okay.
10 large Slurpees.
How much is 10 large Slurpees?
How much is 10 large Slurpees?
We'll pay for it. It's like
Done.
done. All right, people. We are putting Slurpee in this helmet. What a better way for 7-Eleven on 7-Eleven day. That's happening. You gotta mix it up a little. Oh! You need a big straw.
Can I get a straw? Can I get 2 straws?
Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, we're gonna drink some of this.
Y'all saw it here first. Y'all ain't never seen a helmet full of Slurpee before, have you? No?
Alright, let's drink it right here. In front of 7-Eleven. With their helmets on. We're gonna do this.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
This is hard to do.
I can't get any.
Oh, man, that's actually good. What the fuck I've been doing my whole life? That's delicious.
That's Captain Crunch?
Yeah, that just tastes like Captain Crunch.
That's pretty. It tastes like vape juice. That's hard to drink.
And I'd like, oh, shit.
Let's go up by the bike. What?
I dropped my glove. Oh, shit. Thanks.
I dropped your glove.
You dropped my glove.
I did. My bad.
You dropped my glove.
I dropped my gloves too. Wait, do I have both my gloves?
This is your glove.
Oh, that's my glove. I dropped my glove, Kenny.
Where's my
Thank you.
glove?
Your gloves are right here.
No.
Hold on, let's get you a 7-Eleven. I don't really like it.
Huh?
I don't like it. It tastes like vape juice, like old vape juice.
I know I'm going to shit myself later.
Yeah. Well, that was that. I think we've been trying to do this for like a year. Although,
I tried to do it last year.
I swear there's a day where they let you bring in whatever you want. I thought it was on 7-Eleven day. I swear. 7-Eleven, what day is it? What day? If you're watching this, which you're probably not, what day can we bring in whatever the fuck we want and fill it up? Because that dude, I didn't like that guy. You need to fire that guy. Okay, maybe not fire him. But you need to strongly, verbally reprimand him.
Yeah.
For not...
You don't get any free Slurpees for a while.
Yeah. Yeah! Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button down below. Go check out Kenny's channel, _Ksix on YouTube for his version of today. And hopefully you guys had fun and enjoyed yourself. Maybe next time, when they're not such a douche, we'll try it again without a bag and actually see how the helmet holds up.
Yeah.
Because this time, yeah. Anyways, bye. I don't know. I'm fucking out of it. I'm fucking hot. I'm hungry.
I'm fucking high.
No, I said hot. Don't do drugs, kids.
That's a good way to end it. Oh, that person just opened their thing.
What thing?
That truck is transforming, like, on the road.
Oh, maybe we get a taco while we're driving. Are they having a fire?
I don't know. Are they having a fire? Hey, I need 2 tacos!
2 tacos!